What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about Bionano Genomics, ticker symbol BNGO, and how there are two very important pieces of news that came out about Bionano Genomics' Saphyr product that we are going to be going over in this video. We are also going to be taking a look at the short interest of Bionano Genomics. It's on the higher end of the short interest, and I know a lot of you guys are pretty interested in these short squeezes recently, so I'm going to show you exactly how you can figure out what the short float of a company is. And we're also going to be going over the fact that I think ARK is going to be making a purchase of Bionano Genomics in the near future, and I'm going to show you exactly why I think that is. So if you guys enjoy the information that I provide for you in this video, please go down and hit the like button and hit that subscribe button, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you are notified of all of the new videos that I put out. So the most important piece of news came out today about Bionano Genomics, and it was this right here. So we can see that Bionano Genomics announced a presentation by the Director of Clinical Cytogenomics Laboratory of Children's Hospital, Los Angeles, Dr. Gordana Reca, I think, in which she reported on the performance of optical genome mapping for the clinical analysis of pediatric acute leukemia. So she demonstrated how optical genome mapping with Saphyr detected clinically important structural variants, SVs, that can alter patient care and treatment decisions. Now, here is the most important part of this article, in my opinion. So these structural variants were not detected when samples were evaluated with a combination of next-generation sequencing and 3 cytogenic methods that are the standard of care in leukemia testing today. That's some unbelievable news right now. We now are seeing the Saphyr is able to do things that no other method is able to do, and especially what it's going to be able to do is it's going to alter patient care and treatment decisions. So basically what the Saphyr is allowing these doctors to do is figure out what the best treatment options for people with these different conditions are and best treat them. So overall, that's some amazing news that has come out about Bionano Genomics and their Saphyr product. If we take a look over at the chart, we can see that they are up about 2.8% at the time that I am recording this video. We did see the stock go into the 5% up positive range today, but it did have a little bit of a pullback. Now, if we go over and take a look at the next piece of news, basically Bionano Genomics was a presenter at the Festival of Genomics and Biodata, an event that I've been discussing is going to be a very important event for Bionano Genomics, and it is happening throughout this week. So we can see that at the Festival of Genomics and Biodata, Bionano Genomics has presented evidence supporting the use of optical genome mapping with Saphyr as a first-line test in genetic disease and cancer. Also amazing news. So the company's Saphyr system is a research use only platform right now, but they're trying to streamline to the study of changes in chromosomes known as cytogenomics. Now, let's get into this ARK situation. So I think that ARK is going to be buying Bionano Genomics in the near future. I think we're going to see them make a purchase of this company by the end of 2021. And here is my specific reasoning for this. So Kathy Wood has come out and said that genomics is the future in terms of the healthcare space. So if we come over here, this is ARK's Big Ideas 2021 PDF. If you subscribe to ARK's trade notifications, you can actually access this yourself. It's a pretty long document. It's about 112 pages, as you can see here. But if we come down to the 92nd page, we can see they talk about long-read sequencing. So long-read sequencing could provide a more complete picture of the human genome, and we estimate that long-read revenues will grow 82% at an annual rate from 250 million in 2020 to roughly 5 billion in 2025. If ARK Invest is projecting such a massive growth rate in revenues for these types of companies, they're definitely going to be investing in them. And the most important thing that we see in this PDF is we can see that first generation sequencing, second generation sequencing. We come down here, we can see 10x Genomics, a company that ARK already owns, and we can see right here optical mapping, Bionano Genomics. That is absolutely insane that ARK Invest has put Bionano Genomics in their Big Ideas 2021 report. So optical mapping, as we've seen from these other two articles, is becoming very important in the medical field, and its abilities to give doctors a better idea of how to treat their patients is very important. So right now we know that the Saphyr product is in a research-only phase, but if they can get the Saphyr out to as many medical doctors and medical professionals as possible, we're going to see this company go absolutely insane. So now let's take a look at the short interest for Bionano Genomics. If we come over to Finviz, you can actually take a look at all of these if you want yourself. You just go on finviz.com, and then you can basically just type in the ticker, and you can look at all of this information. So we can see right now that the short float for Bionano Genomics is 16.83%. That means 16.83% of all of the shares that are able to be traded in the market are shorted. So that means that people are selling these shares when they do not own them in the hopes that they would go down to buy back those shares at a price lower than what they originally shorted the stock for. So this isn't absolutely crazy in terms of short interest. As we saw with GameStop, it was about 150% short interest. We saw with Nokia and AMC, those were up in the 30% range. If you watch my other video on Senseonics, how I think it could be the next short squeeze, that also has a very high short float and short float percentage. But in general, Bionano Genomics, this is kind of normal. It is on the high end, but I think if Bionano Genomics does see a massive run up, we could see a mini short squeeze. So now let's go over and take a look at a price target upgrade that we just received a little while ago on Bionano Genomics. So Maxim analyst Jason McCarthy raised the firm's price target on Bionano Genomics from $14 to $2 and keeps a buy rating. That is over a 600% increase in their price target for this company. That's absolutely great to see, especially with all of the great news coming out about Bionano Genomics. So this stock in general, in my opinion, is really a good stock to have in your long-term portfolio. Now, I can't give any recommendations since I am not a financial advisor, but if you've watched a couple other of my Bionano Genomics videos, when the stock was trading at around $4 or $5, I was a bit hesitant. It was still a biotech penny stock that I personally did not fully understand the full scope of what they are doing with their Saphyr system, but now I think this company is absolutely amazing. I'm going to be putting more money into this company in the near future. And if we take a look at the options chain, we can actually get into some in-the-money calls for a later date. So if we look at these $2 strikes or the $3 strikes, the ask price for these $2 strikes for August 20th, 2021 is going to be $9.50, so the break-even is going to be $11.50 on these contracts. So if you think that Bionano Genomics is going to go above $11.50 by August, then you would be able to buy 100 shares of Bionano Genomics at $2. So essentially, you would be paying $9.50 plus $200 for a position that is worth whatever the stock is trading at. So if it's at $15 by the time August comes around, you would be getting your shares for a pretty significant discount. So the difference in break even isn't that insane. If you want to buy shares of Bionano Genomics right now, it's not a bad idea. They did see a little bit of a pullback this week after going up an absolutely insane amount. So that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed what I had for you in this one, please go down and hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, and make sure you turn on that notification bell so you are notified every single time I post a new video. So I hope you guys are having a profitable trading day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.